Welcome to day 142 of 365, opening a random booster pack every single day in 2026. Today we have a booster pack of Chaos Rising from Pokemon. If you like Pokemon or other trading card games, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel because I'm opening up a random booster pack every single day in 2026. I went to Best Buy in search of Rift-bound cards, but instead came out with Pokemon. They had some sealed products stored behind the checkout counter, and I was lucky enough to be able to snag a couple of the booster packs from their stock. I'm honestly not a huge Greninja fan, but there are some great cards in this set that I'm looking forward to. I think the special illustration rares are all pretty great, but I'm really hoping to pick up the Ampharos, Tauros, and Crobat illustration rares. Let me know in the comments below if you'll be opening up any packs from Chaos Rising. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for day 143.